At first, we had to gather people around and get all of the voices so that we made sure that we were addressing all the needs in the community. It is interesting to see the way they're thinking on, is this going to contribute to healthy lifestyles? Is this going to make it easier for the healthy choice to be the default choice?
We are one of the poorest health communities in the state of Kansas. That's probably why the Pathways grant is so important to Fort Scott.
We completed our community health needs assessment and determined that diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and lung disease are our top 3 priorities that we need to address here in the community. The Pathways grant really went hand in hand with the work that we already need to do in working with our community.
With local needs clearly understood, the Healthy Bourbon County Action Team identified strategies to improve each of these goals, encourage exercise and active living, promote healthier eating, and decrease tobacco use.
Healthy food and access to it is important for everyone in all generations and for everyone in every socioeconomic status.
Healthy Bourbon County wanted to improve healthy eating and developed initiatives that brought together local producers, restaurants, and food retailers.
Restaurant owners and food retail owners wanted to purchase locally produced food. They just didn't know where to get it from. So we were able to hold a buy and eat meet and greet where we were able to introduce the buyers to the suppliers, create a wholesale food directory from that, and start that relationship between the 2 entities.
So we were able to build our relationships with our farmers and our producers. It's all locally produced, from the hens to the fruits and vegetables. The guests have come in and really appreciated the different looks, and the feel of the dish is much different because you have something that's much brighter, much crisper. Your eggs are just bright yellow with a yolk that's amazing. And we've been able to renovate our kitchen. We purchased a new refrigerator, a new freezer, a new warming table, things that were able to benefit our restaurant better so that we could produce a product for our customer that was more vibrant, more colorful.
Other restaurant partnerships helped to promote healthier, more efficient environments, leading to new menu options.
With the Pathways grants, we did a lot of improvements in my restaurant, and we did bring some new items. The new healthy items are in green, and people really like them.
With our Pathways grant, we were able to buy this salad top or sandwich top, and because of this, now we are able to serve more types of salads every day instead of it just being a special. We're able to serve more types of sandwiches, more types of wraps than we could before because we were just using a refrigerator. It just makes our life a whole lot easier, quicker, able to serve healthier choices, and keeps everything fresher, and we love it.
And Healthy Bourbon County reached out to area schools.
Pathways to Healthy Kansas grant funds helped us provide water bottle filling stations for our students here at West Bourbon Elementary. We know that hydrated minds are healthier minds and more active and engaged students, and we just want to give our kids every opportunity to be the best learner they can be.
Other initiatives with area schools helped to promote active living.
Pathways funds helped us at Uniontown High School be able to buy new weight benches, leaderboards, and also a new vertical jump machine. This new equipment helps us develop more well-rounded athletes and students in our physical fitness and weight training programs. We have a project this summer to add push-button indicators at our crosswalk between our elementary and high school that'll improve visibility and safety for students who pass between those buildings.
With the Pathways funding, we purchased some equipment, the melody, the chimes. They're placed on a concrete pad so that students who might be in wheelchairs or on walkers have that accessibility to those items. We also purchased a swing that could be used for students with disabilities. But all in all, we just purchased some equipment that would be a different kind of playground experience for the students that we have in the building.
Promoting active living is just as important for all residents countywide as it is in the schools. So, the Coalition has been encouraging bicycle use in Bourbon County.
Our goal is to further develop a cycling community because it's a healthy choice of living.
Our bike share program here has been good both for local people who just want to get out and exercise or cruise around town, but also visitors. It's another way for them to get out and explore the history or downtown or our local parks.
So Gun Park volunteers and the Healthy Bourbon County Action Team were working together to see what we could do to expand the Gun Park trails. The city of Fort Scott went ahead and purchased the land. Community volunteers have put in a lot of sweat equity into that pump track, and so it's nice to see that not only is it used, but volunteers are the ones that are maintaining it and keeping it going.
Healthy Bourbon County has been working with individual worksites to improve healthier living.
Working hand in hand with different wellness committees is a different approach at every different work site. We are building a healthier workforce.
The Pathways grant has been instrumental in opening up a facility that our employees can use 24 hours a day. Not only can they use it, but their immediate family can use it.
Having a building and an exclusive gym for faculty only is an extreme benefit for us employees. Staying healthy and fit keeps you energized throughout the day, and it's really handy having this gym on campus.
I use the gym about 3 to 4 times a week, and it's just really great for stress relief and self-care and just making sure and taking care of ourselves and our mental health.
A healthy workforce helps the individual to enjoy a better life, productivity for the company, and it helps us reduce insurance costs and healthcare costs for them as well. We're trying to push initiatives in healthy eating, increased physical activity, and tobacco cessation is probably one of the biggest ones for us, where we are a completely tobacco-free campus on all property and vehicles as well. But we're trying to offer the right kinds of tools to employees as a way to help them reach that point.
I smoked on and off for about 7 years. I have a long smoking history in my family, COPD, so I knew I had to quit before it got bad. For any of you that wants to quit smoking, Peerless has a tobacco-free facility. They'll help you with whatever you need. You'll feel better in the long run.
When we first started, it was a learn by fire type of thing, and it's amazing to see on how much we've been able to accomplish. And now we're able to see some of the work come through fruition in the environmental changes that we're making.
And these successes are just the beginning. Healthy Bourbon County will continue promoting healthy changes, collaborating with area partners to improve active living, encourage healthy eating, and reduce tobacco use.
I grew up here in Fort Scott. I've lived here all my life and raised my 2 daughters, and I think it is a wonderful community to live, work, and play, and Pathways has come in and helped it be even better.
Be a part of the success by sharing this video and following our journey on Facebook.